Good morning. Hello guys, how are you today? So today I leave from Sihanoukville, go to Koh Rong Samloem. So I'm very excited. I'm very happy to see Koh Rong Samloem again because people and my friend told me and right now in Koh Rong Samloem have a beautiful place because a change and a style, new style. So also when I buy ticket and with the boat go to Koh Rong before like one people $10, but right now just one people $13. Wow, and good Friday like 8 years ago, yeah, and $10, but right now 13. It's not bad, just a good Friday. Okay, and I go to an boat and go to Koh Rong and play in a boat, go to Koh Rong Samloem. So okay, I will show you an video and Koh Rong Samloem. Please, let's go with me to see in a boat. Go to Koh Rong Samloem with me. Okay, so right now I am on a pier, play in a boat, go to Koh Rong Samloem. So also on here is nice place for you and relax, waiting the boat. You go to Koh Rong Samloem, yeah. Before you go with the boat, go to Koh Rong Samloem. Also have a lot to food and street food and snack, noodle, chicken noodle, everything. Also cafe and nice place for you and relax, waiting your boat. Go to Koh Rong Samloem, yeah. You see. I leave about 12 o'clock. Yeah, 12 o'clock. But right now I can waiting about 30 minutes for on the boat take me and my husband go to Koh Rong Samloem. So, but I waiting here for about 30 minutes. No problem. I need to drink coffee, maybe beer, something, and for relax maybe and street food. So, but I'm not too hungry to eat right now. Maybe I go to Koh Rong Samloem and also maybe go to eat in there, but so it's okay. So and also I'm very happy to see in Koh Rong Samloem again. It's nice to see again for this place. So okay, let's go with me and to see around, and also when I with the boat I will show you. Okay, now I am in a boat go to Koh Rong Samloem. So and leave from here go to Koh Rong Samloem about like 14 minutes. So it's not so far, but enjoy time for with the boat. Okay, so and please you want to see and a lot of new video and Koh Rong Samloem, please you can add back on YouTube and make honey travel. So and I will show another video and Koh Rong Samloem and how beautiful place. So okay, I hope you and have a good day and enjoy day with the family. Now I have to go. So if you want to see more another video, please add YouTube website and make honey travel. Make honey travel is nice YouTube. So okay, love you. Thank you so much. Have a good day.